Hello, good morning again, you guys. Welcome back to my channel once again. This job role is referral coordinator, fully remote. It's Ashton Carter. It's based out in Kansas City, Missouri. 6410101. Remote. It's $25 an hour position. Contract job. And the experience and skills they're looking for are utilization management, ICD-10, and a data collections and information management and medical terminology. And the job description is the referral coordinator. Government programs provides information management services to the medical management department by researching and reviewing claims, resolving customer service problems, and triaging and indexing all medical records. Also assists with the substantive work of the medical management department, including making determinations on prior authorization, issues not requiring clinical review. The position is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. through 5 p.m. The job description researches, reviews, and resolves claims and provides benefit questions with customer service and other operation areas. Regularly converses by phone with members and providers, either directly or as transferred by customer service representatives. Receive pre-service review requests telephonically in a call center environment for inpatient, outpatient, or DME requests. Documents in a computerized tracking system. Receives fax information via document imaging system for inpatient admissions, outpatient services, DME, and post-service medical review. Responsible for indexing, triaging, and data entry into facets. Review requests using a defined, approved script. Determines appropriateness of requests or, as necessary, refers to clinical staff for review and certification of medical appropriateness, generates letters of acceptance and facets to members, and provides or makes non-clinical contract denial decisions. Clinical denial decisions are made by a medical director. Contacts providers with determinations and, if appropriate, provides appeals informations and generates letters. Performs all duties in a manner consistent with the company's code of conduct and policies and procedures, and other related duties as assigned to meet departmental and company objectives. Other duties as assigned. $20 to $25 per hour based on experience. Additional skills and qualifications. Candidates will need to have their own equipment for this position. Candidates must sit anywhere in the United States. However, candidates located near Kansas City, Missouri are preferred. Must have experience in a health insurance or health care setting that includes knowledge of medical terminology and electronic medical records. Insurance verification and prior authorization experience required. Health plan, health insurance, and or health benefits work experience required. Familiarity with ICD-10 and diagnostic code required. Previous work experience in a hospital or physician's office is strongly preferred. And these are the preferred qualifications: experience researching, summarizing, and communicating detailed information, and analysis, ability to read, analyze, and interpret general business periodicals, professional journals, technical procedures, or government regulations, ability to write reports, business correspondence, and procedural manuals, ability to effectively present information in a one-on-one and small group situations to customers, clients, groups of managers, and other employees of the organization, ability to define problems, collect data, establish facts, and draw valid conclusions, advanced keyboarding skills, intermediate knowledge of an ability to use Microsoft Office applications preferred. Other specialized knowledge and skills preferred include HIPAA requirements, denial appeals, specifications, NCQEA, URAC, and state and federal requirements. Previous experience with prior authorizations, insurance verifications, and an electronic medical records in a hospital or physician's office is highly preferred. This position is a 6-month contract to hire. If you have any questions on this, please ask the recruiter to clarify during the phone screen. And this is about Aston Carter. Was established in 1997, and they've helped over a lot of companies, over 7,000 companies across North America, to find high caliber talent and premium services for these companies. And they're spanning 4 continents, more than 200 offices. And this is a great company to work for. It's an equal employee opportunity to work for, and they do help with reasonable accommodations for anyone who have disabilities. And they're very diverse. And if you want today, just go ahead and apply from the link that I will post down below. For Aston Carter, it's $25 per hour. It's a contract job. It's remote, and it's based in Kansas City. It's a plus if you stay near the Kansas City, Missouri area, but they are hiring in the USA nationwide. They are nationwide, hiring nationwide throughout the 51 states of America. And yes, just go ahead and apply. I will put the link down below. It was just posted today. So if it's something that you guys would like to look into, if you want to get into Aston Carter, you want to apply, go ahead, my diamonds. You guys got this. You guys are smart, and you guys can go at it, because these jobs will not last long, you guys. You guys got to get on it. You guys can do it. You're smart. You're brave. You got this. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Go ahead and apply. Talk to you guys later.